gitna ng kaliwat kanang kontrobersya ng administrasyon, tinabla ng isang constitutionalist ang usapin ng government reset. Bukod sa labag ito sa batas, hindi raw ito ang tamang panahon sa pagpapalit ng liderato. Dapat bigyan ng pagkakataon si PBBM na ayusin ang isyu ng korupsyon. Ito ang iginiit ni 1987 Constitution framer at retired Supreme Court Associate Justice Adolfo Ascuna. Sa On Point ng Bilyonaryo News Channel, sinabi ni Ascuna na hindi iligal ang manawagan ng resignation ng mga opisyal. Pero hindi raw ito dapat gawin ng Pangulo sa ngayon.
So if he does so, it will, I think, destabilize the situation. After all, he was the one who exposed the flood control scandal, and he's apparently doing the proper steps to take action so that the culprits will be given justice.
Dagdag ni Ascuna, unconstitutional ang panukalang People's Transition Council.
It would violate the oath to defend and protect the Constitution, which the officials take, especially the President and Vice President.
Ipinaliwanag naman ni Ascuna kung kailan maaaring mangialam ang AFP.
There is a provision that the military, the armed forces of the Philippines, is the protector of the people and the state. And on that basis, some quarters maintain that in case of a crisis, the armed forces of the Philippines can intervene. And like that, there's a gap. Let's say there's no law as to who will act as president in case of there's no president, no vice president, no speaker, no Senate president. The military might fill the gap. I would call it the tribune of the people.
Base kasi sa konstitusyon, dapat magkaroon ng batas na magtatalaga ng magsisilbing pangulo sakaling wala sa apat na pinakamatataas na opisyal ang posibleng maging acting president. Pero hanggang ngayon, wala pa ring naipapasa ang ganitong batas sa Kongreso. Ayon kay Ascuna, hindi na dapat hintayin ng mga mambabatas na mawala ng presidente.
There's no president, so they cannot pass a law. The only law they can pass without a president is that special election law. So any other law needs the signature of the president. They should do it now, while they can still make a law.
Hindi rin kasi anya maaaring maging acting president ang Chief Justice.
The reason is because the Constitution, the new Constitution now, prohibits members of the court from performing executive functions.
Sa harap naman ng muling pagsulong sa Kamara na amyendahan ng konstitusyon, sinabi ni retired Associate Justice Ascuna na hindi ito ang tamang panahon para sa tsatsya dahil nasa krisis ang bansa.